Hello, English learners and teachers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common grammar challenge. Much, many, and a lot of. Let's dive right in. First off, let's distinguish between much and many. We use much with uncountable nouns, like water or money. For example, there isn't much water left in the bottle. On the other hand, many is used with countable nouns, such as apples or books. For instance, how many books are on the shelf? Now, let's see how we use a lot of. It's versatile and can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. For example, there are a lot of books on the shelf. There's a lot of sugar in the jar. It's practice time. I'll give you a sentence, and you choose the correct word. Much, many, or a lot of. Ready? Fill the blank. People attended the concert. What do you think? If you said many, you're correct. And there you have it. Understanding much, many, and a lot of is essential for clear communication in English. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using them like a pro. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English grammar tips. Until next time, happy learning. Thank you for joining us today. See you in the next lesson.